Hello everyone, I'm back for a new video. My eyebrows are done and my eyes primed and I'm ready to go. So taking this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette, I'm trying to use as many products of the collection as I can in this video, and my Kiko 202 eye brush, and I'm taking this kind of cream white shade to set my primer and apply a nice base for my eyeshadow on it. So now this is done, I'm taking my Morphe N513 brush and this light shade to place as my transition color in my crease. I'm going over in slow motions, I'm not going in too hard, I'm really going with a light hand because we don't want it to be very harsh, we just want it to act as a base for our upcoming crease colors. So now taking my Morphe N330 brush and taking this copper shade and placing it all over my crease to deepen it and give it more definition. So you see, really going in to deepen my crease and give it definition. This brush is so fluffy, I really love it. It's one of my favourite blending brushes. Morphe really does a good job with their brushes and their nails. So this is done. And now I'm taking this kind of plum colour and placing it on the outer crease with the same Morphe M330 brush to give even more definition, because I thought it was a bit too dull, so I'm just going in on my outer crease to give more definition to my crease and create a bit of a now taking my Kiko 203 eye brush and spraying it with Fix Plus to place my lid color. So I'm taking this gold shade from the Rainforest of the Sea palette and applying it all over my lid. It's a really nice colour, look how luminous it is. I'm really amazed with this palette, it's amazing quality, the shadows are buttery, luminous, and they can be worn on any skin tone, which I think is one of the principal desired effects of these palettes and one of Tarte's main objectives. So now I've put my lashes and mascara on off camera. I put the House of Lashes Heartbreaker lashes on. So this is my Kiko Perfecting Serum base that I'm applying as a primer on my face. It's really luminous. It was only part of the Rebel Romantic collection. I'm really sad that it's not being done anymore because I've used it so much that my bottle is almost empty, but oh well. Now taking this Bronx Colors hydrating concealer in the green shade to color correct my redness under my eyes, and I'm putting it where everywhere else I have redness on my face, so on the corners of my nose and in these spots that have just appeared, and blending it away with my Kiko Beauty Blender. It's a damp beauty blender, make sure it's damp, otherwise it won't work as well. Sorry, camera's getting off focus all the time. And now, I'm really excited to try this foundation out. It's the Tarte Rainforest from the Sea foundation. It comes in this kind of pump. I didn't really know how to use it at first. It's my first time using it ever during this tutorial. So I just kind of placed it on my hand, figured out you had to pump it out before actually placing it anywhere. Then went straight in with my beauty blender to apply it on my face and realized it didn't cover enough. So I finally went with dotting it from my hand onto my face and then going in with a beauty blender, which I thought had a better effect and looked really good. This is me blending. Okay, so you can see that this foundation is quite good coverage, but it's really lightweight as well, which I think was what Tarte was looking for doing this foundation, so I'm gonna have to wear it a bit more to have a final opinion, but for me now, it won me over. So of course, setting my foundation with MAC Mineralized Skinfinish in Nude and Dark, and my Zoeva 106 powder brush. Now taking my Nye Banana Powder and my beauty blender and applying this everywhere I put concealer on my face. So under my eyes, on my nose, forehead, chin, and let it bake. And while it bakes, I'm gonna put this Makeup Geek contour powder in Half-Hearted. It's my first time using these contour powders, and I didn't know how pigmented they were, so please bear with me when you'll see in a second that I just go a bit crazy on it. So yeah, look at this. Oh, I think the Makeup Geek did a really good job because they're so pigmented. Like, even though I tapped the powder off, it still went on really strong, which is something good. But I didn't really know at the moment, but I think I did quite good. These powders are really good though. I'd recommend anyone and getting them, and they're really affordable. And now getting more Nye Banana Powder under my contour to actually make it even more intense, and putting the rest on my face. And letting it bake for 5 minutes. So this is 5 minutes later. Now I'm taking my Zoeva 101 Luxe brush and sweeping all the powder away on my face, and you can see that now I look really highlighted and luminous. This is why the banana powder is basically the only I use and probably will ever use. Some people are obsessed with the Anastasia, but obviously this one is cool. Contouring my nose now with the Kiko Rebel Romantic Contour Stick in, I think it's the second shade, the deeper one. I don't really usually contour my nose, but I don't know, I felt like it today, and I'm taking this brush I got from Douglas, this store in Geneva, and just blending it away so that I don't look crazy. So it's done, and now I'm taking this small brush that I always use for highlighting my brow bone from my Morphe kit, and of course the Balm Luminizer for my brow highlight, placing it on and then dabbing it with my finger, which I think is, for me, the best technique to blend it and make it not look crazy. And then I decided to highlight my nose with the same highlighter and brush. Made it look a bit crazy at first, and then just made it happen. And so this is that. Now I'm taking my Kiko 210 brush, which is this flat defining brush, and taking this shade from the palette and placing it under my eye for the lower lash line, just to define it more and give it a splash of colour, I would say. And now taking this brush from my Sleek set and this same colour that I use in my transition palette, I'm going to blend out that colour under my eye. I don't want it too smoky or too dark, just to give it a little bit of colour and definition to my lower lash line. Look at me, sexy woman. And now taking my NYX Milk Jumbo Pencil to line my waterline. It's really white, but I really wanted something white and out there to have this open wide eye effect. And now taking, of course, my Clinique mascara for my lower lashes and applying a couple of coats. This is done, so this is the eyes nearly done, but I'm about to take my NYX, I think it was, yeah, it's a yogurt jumbo pencil to highlight my inner corner, of course. I really love these jumbo pencils to highlight inner corner because they're so creamy and blendable and give a really nice sheen but not too intense to my eyes. So this is the eyes done. And now of course highlighting. So I'm using the Tarte Skin Twinkle from the same collection as well. I'm really loving it. And I'm taking my Morphe fan brush from my kit to apply this. So I don't know how pigmented they were. Just went with mixing both these shades. Oh, look at this. Oh, I was really impressed. Oh, they're really nice. Look at that glow. I'm glowing for heaven. I'm literally glowing for heaven. So yes, I'm sorry. I don't know what happened to the footage of me putting on my blush and lip, but I'll... Hey guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I tried to review these Tarte Rainforest from the Sea product as best as I can, and I really like this Kat Von D Jeffrey lipstick. It's such a nice Barbie pink, and I think even though I'm quite dark skinned, it looks good on me and it's perfect for spring. So comment below, like, subscribe, do whatever you want, share the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!